Welcome to Dynamic SEO. In this tutorial, we will explore some tips and tricks to optimize your dynamic SEO input. What is dynamic SEO? Dynamic SEO makes your website rank higher in search engines by distributing and arranging your site's natural content in ways that better position your website. The objective is to drive new traffic to your website with those seeking relevant content. Once at your website, your job becomes making them customers. The following meta defaults are recognized only by search engine robots that regularly spider your website looking for relevant content. The meta defaults give your website a basic default in the event you do not create unique SEO information for every page. Of course, you're still able to define unique SEO information for artist, artwork, exhibit, news, events, resources, and all other pages, all of which may be found inside the respective edit areas. Now let's look at editing your SEO pages. Here you can edit just about every page on your website. We recommend that you begin with the main navigational pages and then progress to the individual artist pages. The index or home page is the most frequently displayed page, therefore making it the most important to optimize. The following are some tips and tricks to keep in mind when optimizing your meta tags. The meta title is the most important SEO change you can make. The meta title will appear as the headline in the organic search results. Create a unique title tag for each page. Each of your pages should ideally have a unique title tag, which helps Google know how the page is distinctly different from others on your site. We advise for your index or home page that you try a phrase that includes your gallery name for branding, an identified keyword such as art gallery or Aboriginal art, and you include your gallery location. The phrase can be arranged in any order, and we recommend playing around with the location and testing out which order works best. Keep in mind that changes to the meta tags will not appear in the search results until the search bots have scanned or cached your website. We will show you later in this tutorial how to check when the last date was that the search bot scanned your website. Next, let's look at how your meta title will appear as a headline in the organic search results. We have our company name for branding, plus our number one keyword, Art Gallery Software. Keywords typed in the search field by the user will appear in bold throughout the search results. By using a keyword that a user may type in, you increase the likelihood that your gallery will appear in the search results, as well as be clicked on. A unique, properly written and optimized meta description is imperative for effective search engine optimization. Paired with the optimized meta title, the meta description establishes the page's relevancy for search engine spiders. Let's take a look at how your meta description may appear in the search results. Since the meta description is often displayed as a search results snippet, the content of the meta description is important for gaining attention and promoting more click-throughs. For best search result ranking, you want to create a line of relevancy that relates to the user's search term, the title, description, URL, and the content of the page the user will be linked to. Earlier in this tutorial, we mentioned that you may not see the changes to your meta tags until the search bots have scanned or cached your website. To check when your website was last scanned, click on the term Cached. On this page, you can see the last time the spiders took a snapshot of your website. In this incident, it was October 1st. Any changes after October 1st will not appear in the search results until the website is cached again. The time frame for a site to be cached varies from several times a day to monthly. Much depends on how frequently a website updates information. Optimally, we have placed the editing SEO pages for the artist in the Artist section. Select an artist. Here you may modify the meta title, meta description, and keywords, or you may choose the SMART rule. The SMART rule is good to have in place if you do not have time to create a unique SEO page for every artist. Select the SMART rule criteria. The SMART rule will dynamically generate a meta title. The meta description and meta keywords will default to your meta default settings. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have additional questions regarding your SEO, please feel free to contact us at Managed Artwork.